حي على
People always ask me why I created this channel. The answer is really simple, if one can comprehend it. The world is so fast and we want it to be more faster. We all just keep on struggling about these worldly things because that is how we are raised. We want everything to be done in a jiffy. People I see everywhere do not wait, do not listen, and sometimes do not even get the meaning of things because they are in such a rush. We, as Muslims, have drifted apart from our roots, our religion. My main motive to build this channel was only because the content about Islam on YouTube is very limited and have long videos, which new generation are not fond of. So this channel creates videos of 1 minute containing Hadiths topic by topic, which will help all of us to lead a better life according to Islam. Hope through this channel we can attract the generations ahead so that the Islam remains strong and united. Jazakallah.